It's not real carbon fiber, man, but it looked pretty good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Lee back at it with another one, man. And today, man, I got something for y'all. This is getting replaced with a carbon fiber. It's not real carbon fiber, fake carbon fiber, whatever. Still look good. Yeah, man, it's getting replaced right here. So we're about to take this off. I got like 4 screws on the bottom. Let me show y'all real quick. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can't figure out how to do this, I don't know what you can do, but just take off those. Got that. And then I'm gonna go get the other one so y'all can see it already has the tablets for, you know, for these screws to go right back in and right here. And I believe you have to drill them all out actually, because they're all closed, or at least push them out with a screwdriver or whatever. We're gonna see what we have to do, and yeah, we'll take it from there. All right, y'all, so here we go. This is the carbon fiber one. Very nice. I already got the tabs right here. Obviously we got to go through them, but I think it's gonna look pretty damn nice. I think it's gonna be a cool accent on the car. Let's look at it one last time. Not that the stock one looks bad, but I gotta do some different stuff. Hopefully it looks nice with the carbon exhaust tips too. So yeah, man, let's get that one off and let's get this one on. All right, we got them all off. Now, whoa, look how many rocks under here. Damn, I believe they're just kind of clipped in, so let me actually put down the camera and try to do this. All right, y'all, so I finally got it loose. You just gotta kind of wrestle it a little bit, and then it comes out pretty damn easy. Come on, come on. Just like that. All right. Yeah, I was struggling with this thing for a little bit, but I just didn't want to break any of the clamps or any of the fittings or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, there you guys go. Side by side comparison. It's not real carbon fiber, man, but it looked pretty good. And I've seen the real carbon fiber ones, and these look exactly the same for half the price. Link will be in the description below. And yeah, man, let's try to work on getting this one on. These hopefully are gonna line up. I've seen some people have some trouble with these, so hopefully it's an easy process for us. And bam. Just like, see, there's a little gap right here that I'm not liking. I'm gonna try to adjust to make it fit better, because that ain't gonna cut it. But yeah, man, look at that. Okay, still can go in some more in most places, but now my exhaust tips are in a little bit more, so maybe I gotta move them out a little bit so y'all can see that carbon writing right there. I like the way it says carbon right there. I think it looks smooth. Yeah, man, what y'all think? I think it looks pretty smooth. I gotta wash the car because it has been through it this week. Probably driven it like at least like 1,500, 1,200 miles, something like that. So, yeah, man, snap of a finger, it's gonna be all clean. Y'all ready? All right, man. Got a little quick wash. Looking nice. Now we can see if that carbon fiber is popping. I think it looks pretty damn good. It looks good to me. I'm trying to think like what else could I do. Yeah, man, she's looking pretty good. So let me know what y'all think below in the comments. Are y'all feeling the carbon fiber diffuser, or y'all think I need to put the original back on? It didn't look bad, but you know, man, I like to try to spice it up. So yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about the carbon fiber. I like it. I think it looks fly. It looks fire. So yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. Thank y'all for tuning back into another video. This is Jay Lee, Scat Daddy 392, and be back with some more.